हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे।
श्रीशुकौवाच
शुकौवाच
नन्दपतिवच
नन्दपतिवच
शौरे
शौरे
नृमषेति
नृषेति
विचिन्तयन्
विचिन्तयन्
हरिं
हरीं
जगाम
जगाम
शरणम्
शरणम्
उत्पातागमशङ्कितः
उत्पातागमशङ्कितः
कंसेन
कंसेन
परिता
प्रहिता
घोरा
घोरा
पूतना
पूतना
बालघातिनी
बालघातिनी
शिशुचचार
शुंशचारनिघ्नन्ति
निघ्नन्ति पुरग्रामव्रजादिषु
पुरग्रामव्रजादिषु न
न
यत्र
यत्र
श्रवणादीनि
श्रवणादीनि
रक्षोघ्नानि स्वकर्मसु कुर्वन्ति सात्वतां भर्तुः यातुर्धान्यश्च तत्र हि साखे च ह्येकदोपेत्य पूतनानन्दगोकुलम् योषित्वा माययात्मानम् प्राविशत् कामचारिणी तं केशबन्धव्यतिशक्तमल्लिकाम् बृहन्नितम्बस्तनकृच्छ मध्यमाम् सुवाससं कम्पितकर्णभूषणा द्विषोलो
विशोल्लसत्कुन्तलमण्डिताननां वल्गुस्मितापाङ्गविसर्गवीक्षितैः मनोहरन्तीं
मनोहरन्तीं
वनितां
वनितां
व्रजौकसाम्
व्रजौकसाम्
अंसतां
भोजकरेण
भोजकरेणरूपिणीं
रूपिणीं
गोप्य
गोप्य
श्रियां
श्रियं
द्रष्टुमिवागतां
द्रष्टुमिवागतां
पतिं
पतिम्
बालग्रहस्तत्र
बालग्रहस्तत्र
विचिन्वन्ति
विचिन्वन्ति
शिशून्
शिशून्
यदृच्छयानन्दगृहे
यदृच्छयानन्दगृहे
सदन्तकम्
सदन्तकम्
बालं
बालं
प्रतिच्छन्न
प्रतिच्छन्नी
निजोरुत्तेजसं
निजोरुत्तेजसम्
ददर्श तल्पे
ददर्शतल्पेऽग्निनिवाहितं
अग्निनिवाहितम्बसि
वसि
विबुध्यतां
विबुध्यतां
बालकमारिकाग्रहं
बालकमारिकाग्रहम्
चराचरात्मा
चराचरात्मा
स
स
निमीलिते
निनिग्लिक्षणः
अनन्तमारोप्य
अनन्तमारोप्य
डङ्कमन्तकम्
डङ्कमन्तकम् यथा
यथोरगं
इद्रिं
सुप्त
सप्तं बुद्धिर्रजुद्दिः
बुद्धिर्जद् तां
तां
तीक्ष्णचित्ताम्
तीक्ष्णचित्ताम् अतिमामचेष्टिताम्
अतिमावचेष्टिताम्
वीक्ष्यान्तराकोशपरिच्छदास्यवत
वीक्ष्यान्तराकोशपरिच्छदास्यवत्
परस्त्रियं
परस्त्रियं
तत्प्रभया च दर्शिते निरीक्ष्यमाणे जननी
ह्यतिष्ठिताम्
ह्यातिष्ठताम्
तस्मिन्
तस्मिन्
स्तनं
स्तनं दुर्जरवीर्यमुल्बनम् घोराङ्कमादाय शिशोर्ददावथ गाढं कराभ्यां भगवान् प्रपीड्य तत्प्राणैः समं रोषसमन्वितोऽपि बत सा मुञ्चालमिति प्रभाषिणी निषीद्यमानाखिल जीवमर्मणि विवृत्य नेत्रे चरणौ भुजौ मुहुः प्रस्विन्न गात्रा क्षिपतिरुरोदः तस्याः स्वनेनातिगभीरहंसा साद्रिर्मही द्यौश्च चचालसग्रहा रसादिशश्च प्रतिनेदिरे जनाः पेतुक्षितौ वज्रनिपातशङ्कया निशाचरितं व्यवस्थितस्तनाद्यसुः व्यादाय केशाञ्चरणौ भुजावपि प्रसार्य गोष्ठे निजरूपमास्थिता वज्राहतो वृत्र इवापतन्नृप पतमानोऽपि तद्देहस्त्रिगव्युत्यन्तरद्रुमान् चूर्णयामास राजेन्द्र महदासीत तद्भुतम् ईशामात्रोग्रदंष्ट्रास्यम् गिरिकन्दरनासिकम् गण्डशैलस्तनं रौद्रम् प्रकीर्णारुणमूर्तजम् अन्धकूपगभीराक्षम् भीषणम् बद्धसेतुभुजोर्वग्भिः शून्यतो यह्यतोदरम् सन्तत्र सुस्वतद्वीक्ष्य गोपा गोप्य कलेवरम् पूर्वं तु तन्निस्वन्नीत भिन्नप्युत्तमस्तकाः बालं च तस्या उरसि क्रीडन्तम् अकुतो भयम् गोप्यस्तूर्णं समेभ्येत्य जगृहुर्जातसम्भ्रमाः यशोदारोहिणीभ्यां ताहं समं बालस्य सर्वतः रक्षां विदधिरे सम्यक् गोपुच्छभ्रमणादिभिः गोमूत्रेण स्नापयित्वा पुनर्गोरजसर्पकम् रक्षां चक्रुस्तु सकृतः द्वादशाङ्गेषु नामभिः
Radhe
गोप्य
Krishna.
संस्पृष्ट
Well done.
कृष्ण
Raksham chakruscha shakrata dvadashangeshu namabihi. Previous chapter, no? Vasudeva has already told Nanda better go back to Gokulam quickly, because he has heard, no, that Kamsa has had all these mantris, durmantris, and they have made this plan. So he's telling them, go back and make sure that everybody is protected. Nehasteyam bahutitam santi utpatascha gokule. So, remembering that, Nandapati vacha shaurehe namrisheti vicintayan harim jagama sharanam utpatagama shankitah. Utpatagama shankitah. So they're rushing back. Nanda and all the people who had gone, they are rushing back, and while they are rushing back, they are offering prayers to that Hari. Harim jagama sharanam utpatagama shankitaka. While they had gone to Mathura and while they are on their way back, in the meantime, already Kamsena Prahita Gora Putana Balagatini Shishum Chachara Nignanti Puragrama Vrajadishu. This Balagni, because that is their plan, no? Kill children who are, 0 to 10, maybe 12 days old. Days? What a terrible Rakshasi Sovam. It's like, Ravana telling Sita Devi, if you don't marry me, my cooks will cook you for breakfast. How crazy. We will not understand that. Anyway, Bhalagni, Bhalaghatini. Already Parikshit is feeling, Hore, Bhavre, one big Rakshasi is going to go. Krishna is just born, new child, few days only old. So Shukabrahma is giving him some comfort. Don't worry. Shravanadini. Wherever there is Katha Shravana, wherever there is Kirtanam, such Rakshasis will not have any power. Rakshognani Swakarmasu. Only if there is a place where there is no scriptures, no Kirtanam, no Shravanam, then their powers are greatly increased. But here, everybody has Krishna Nama in their mouth. Krishna, Krishna, Krishna. Oh, look at the child. It's so beautiful. It is smiling. It is raising his finger. It is raising his leg. Every time they are doing Krishna Smaranam only. So don't worry. He's offering that. Sa Khechari. This person can fly. She has flown and reached Nanda Gokula. To enter Gokula, she has transformed herself. Kamacharini. She can change her appearance. From a Rakshasi, she has become a very beautiful young lady. Tam Keshavanda Vyatishikta Mallikam Vrhannitam Vastana Madhya Krichamam Suvasasam Kampita Karna Bhushana Tvisholasat Kuntala Manditananam. Beautiful hair, amazing Malli, jasmine flowers are decorating, beautiful clothes. She looks like a divine goddess has come. Valgusmitha Panga Visarga Vikshitaihi. The way she is smiling. Smita Panga. When she smiles, the smile has a charm. And that charm is enchanting everybody who is seeing. Manoharantim Vanitam Prajaukasam. Manoharantim. All the gopis are feeling, oh, what a nice person coming. Must be because some of them already know that Krishna is Bhagavad Avatar. So Bhagavan Avataram Pandrikar. Anala Nariya Devigalna avana paaka vara. They are innocent. Some of them are just saying, oh, some very important person has come to see him. Some of them are saying some goddesses are coming to see him. Some of them are saying, no, this is Paramatma, no. So Sri Devi, Lakshmi herself has come. Gopya Shriyam Drashtum Ivagatam Patim. Gopya Shriyam Drashtum Ivagatam. Because it is her husband, no. So she has come. Everybody is saying all these things, but the truth is, what is she? Balagraha Tatra Vichinvati Shishune. She is counting. Oh, this child can be killed, that child can be killed, that child. She's Balagraha. Terrible. Yadrichaya. You know what Yadrichaya means. Yadrichaya means Krishna Kripaya. Krishna desires. So it feels like a coincidence for us, but it is Bhagavad Anugraham. Bhagavad Anugraham. Yadrichaya. Before she had opportunity to kill any other of the children in Gokula, she came where? Nanda Grihe. Balam Pratichinna. This child looks very innocent, very small, very soft, very lovely. So the Balagrahi, this Baki, is thinking easy to kill, but she doesn't know. Sometimes, आजकल use नहीं करता है. They used to have, like wood-fired stoves or coal-fired stoves. Once the cooking is done, there will be a lot of ash. You have to be careful because inside the ash, there may still be glowing embers. So if somebody doesn't know and tries to put their hand and take the ash out, the embers inside will burn you. This Baki, this Putana doesn't know that this God has decided to cover his power of burning out in this nice soft form. Nija uru tejasam dadarsha talpe agnim ivahitam basi. Basi means ash. Just like the Agni is covered by the ash, seeing this child, he is not able to make out. So, this Krishna has seen, Putana has come. So he has closed his eyes. Nimilite kshanahai. He has closed his eyes. Bhagavad Kataksham, no? If Bhagavan just sees us, all blessings come to us. So Krishna is saying, "Nahi, this person has come with bad intention. I am not going to give Bhagavad Kataksham." Kanna mood in Tana. One of the Vyakhyanakartas said another beautiful thing. He said, now, Antakam, no? This Putana has to be given moksha. So that means her life has to end. So Krishna has closed his eyes and he is doing Shiva Dhyanam. Whatever be the case. Because she was looking so nice. Varastriyam tat prabhaya cha darshite nirikshamane janani hyatishtatam. Sometimes there will be a very sharp, very dangerous sword. Chaku, na? Both. It will be really sharp and very dangerous, this sword. But it will be enclosed in a beautiful velvet case with golden threads studded with some precious stones. Outside covering will look so nice, but inside it's a sharp sword. This Putana was like that. Tikshna chittam ativama cheshtitam vikshya antara kosha parichada asivat. Asi means sharp sword, but that is hidden inside this kosha, inside this scabbard, and it is, the outside is looking so velvety and nice. And so our Yashoda, Rohini, they are total givers. Some people will be like, no, I won't show my child to anyone. These people are exact opposite. Oh, you have come? See the child. Oh, you have come? See the child. You want to carry the child? Yes, carry the child. They are so giving. They saw this Putana from outside. She looks like a goddess only. So she said, okay, please see the child. Bless the child. Somebody comes, you say, no, please bless the child. Previous chapter, they all said, Chiram Pahiti. So they are thinking, some goddess has come, she will bless the child also. But this, Ghora Ankamadhaya, she has taken the child and she is going to give the child milk to drink because, Kalakhuta Vasham she has applied. But this Krishna, he's different. Pranai samam rosha samanvapho samanvito pibati. He drank the milk, he drank the visha also. Nothing happened to him, but her life is going. She has understood, oh my God, I thought the child will die. It looks like I am going to die. So she is shouting, Sa muncha muncha alam iti prabhashini. Muncha muncha alam. Nothing. Her eyes are becoming vague. Her body is losing the maya with which it became that beautiful goddess. Now she's looking like the dangerous Rakshasi that she always was. Just like when Indra hurls his Vajra. Those days mountains used to fly, you know. When the mountains used to fly, Indra would use his Vajra and knock them down onto the ground. Similar to that. No Indra, no Vajra, nothing. This child has drunk the milk that she has offered, that's all. But for her, it is as if this Indra has hit her with a Vajra. Her whole body flew out of the house and fell outside. Vajrahato vratra iva apatan nripa. Shukabrahman is getting lost in the beauty of this child. He has closed his eyes. This dangerous Rakshasi has offered her sthana, which is tipped with dangerous, absolutely potent poison. This child has done nothing, just suckled on that, and the whole life of this Putana is gone. She is being thrown out of the house, and she is falling outside in her Nija Swarupa. He is losing himself in that bhava of this Krishna who is giving moksham to Putana, and therefore he is calling, he is holding on to this Parikshit, Nripa, O king. Because all this king, minister, servant, rich man, poor man, everything is Vyavahara Leela. So he is holding to one Vyavahara because he can then continue the story. Iva patan Nripa, patamano pitaddeha. So many trees, so many plants, everything were crushed by the weight of her huge body. Huge body has fallen. Ganda, Shaila, Sthanam, Raudram. Ganda, Shaila. Now her sthana is looking like a huge stone. Previously it was looking very attractive. Now it is looking like a huge stone. Anda Kupa Gabhiraksham, Pulinaroha Bhishanam. Her body is so grotesque, frightening. Bhadda Setu Bhujor Vongri Shunyatoya Hridodaram Santrastu. Everybody is scared. Gopa, Gopya, Kalevaram, already big noise. Because the way she fell out and crushed all the trees itself, big noise. All the Gopas, Gopis are rushing. Luckily, on her chest, this child is still playing as if nothing has happened. Balam Chatasya Urasi Kridantam Akuto Bhayam. Akuto Bhayam. No fear. It is just playing there. Gopyas Turnam Samabhyetya. Quickly they took that child away. Yashoda Rohini Bhyam Tham. They gave the child back to Yashoda and Rohini. Yashoda and Rohini are thinking, by some God's grace, my child was protected. Let me offer some worship. Raksham Vidadare Raksha. Let's do some Raksha for the child. How to do Raksha? Because they are dependent on cows for their living. Therefore, this Krishna, Gomutrena Snapayitva Punargo Rajasarbhaka. They didn't do an Abhishekam. Gomutrena Snapayitva. And then they put some, instead of Chandanam, they put Punargo Rajasarbhakam. Go Rajas. Raksham Chakruscha. Raksham Chakru. They want the child to be safe. So they are doing one Raksha. Dvadasha Angeshu Namabihi. Dvadasha Angeshu Namabihi.